While Ferguson was putting the finishing touches on its police department renovation, and protesters were making signs of their own, the grand jury wasn't thinking of November or December, but August 9th, when Michael Brown was shot by Officer Darren Wilson. Jurors were shown photographs of the shooting scene and of Officer Wilson's face, but it was witness testimony that left the most up to interpretation. Brown had, quote, the most intense, aggressive face I've ever seen on a person, Officer Wilson told the FBI. He started running at me. One secret witness testified, quote, the dude turned back and started charging towards the officer. Another also called it a charging motion, and yet another said he did not have his hands up. But other witnesses completely disagreed, saying Brown was kneeling or on his knees with his hands up before Wilson stood over the boy and emptied his clip. The grand jury had the monumental task of deciding who was telling the truth. But these documents also show the judge was worried some of you may have done some independent investigation, cautioning the jurors do not go out and do independent research or investigation. Ask the prosecutors for it. Those prosecutors offered compelling physical evidence to the jury, including this diagram of the scene where Wilson had fired 12 shots. Michael Brown's body was measured 152 feet from the police car, but 2 red stains in the roadway were found in the other direction, the farthest more than 21 feet behind where his body ended up. That evidence indicates Michael Brown was advancing toward Officer Wilson. What it doesn't tell us is if he was charging toward the officer or if he stumbled forward after he was shot.